A farmer uses a storage silo that is the shape of right circular cylinder with height h equals 12 meters. If the volume of the silo is 2352 pi cubic meters, what is the diameter of the base of the cylinder in meters? So first let me draw the silo, right circular cylinder. So it will be something like this. This is our height. This is 12 meters. We need to find diameter. This is diameter. We can write this is D. And we know that D is equal to R. R is radius of our base of our cylinder. The base of our cylinder is circle. So what we need to find? We need to find D. To find the D diameter, we need to find the R, because D is 2R. So let me write first what we have given. We have given that H, the height of our silo, is 12 meters. What else? We have volume that D is equal 2352 pi cube meters. This is given. And we have to find D. So let me remind you first formula for the volume of right circular cylinder. We have here V is, we have to take area of our base. The base is circle. Area of circle is PR squared times the height of our cylinder. We have given height, we have given value. Our unknown is only R. So we can solve this equation. First we will substitute V. V is 2352 pi, and this is equal. We don't use the units, we add the units at the end. And we have pi, R is unknown, square, times H is 12. So first I will divide both sides by 12 because we have multiplication, and we don't need also pi because we need to find R. So we will divide by pi and 12. We can write 12 pi. So on the right side we can reduce 12 and pi. So we have that R squared is equal 2352 divided by 12 is 196. So we have that pi and pi, of course, we can reduce. So we have R squared, but we need R. Which number raised to second power give me 196? Is 14, but can be positive and negative. Negative 14 to second power give me 196, and positive give me 196. But in this example, R is the radius, it's the distance, so the distance cannot be negative. That's why we will take only solution positive. Let me write this. R is equal positive 14, or R is equal negative 14, because R is the distance, so negative answer we cannot take. So now we have R. We need to find the diameter, and we know that diameter is 2R. So we will copy 2 and we substitute r by 14. So this is equal 2 times 14 is 28. And of course we have to add the units. This is meter. So this is my solution.